Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm gonna talk about what is certificate of origin. It's a really important document in international trade, or mainly when you say import or export of goods. So, what it is all about and where it's required and what information it will provide. I will explain everything in this video. So basically, what is certificate of origin? A certificate of origin declares that goods to be exported in a shipment have been grown, obtained, produced, manufactured, or processed in a particular country. So, if you say here is saying particular country, so mainly certificate of origin, if you can understand by the word origin, means where goods belong. Have you like we all see like made in that country, made in China, made in Canada, made in US. So that could where it's get made, that's basically come from certificate of origin. So if you put the goods from China to US, so then the certificate origin gonna declare the location of China where it get produced or get manufactured. Basically, certificate of origin disclose the location where good get manufactured or produced. Then who can ask for certificate of origin? There, it can be required at various position and location in international trade for various aspects, but three are the main: custom importers, or you can say custom officer, or you can describe it as at port when you bring your good and good get passed from the port of China. For example, you bring a good from China, good get passed from China as now in the vessel, it's coming to Canada. So when goods gonna arrive in Canada, they're gonna ask for certificate of origin with along different document. In those documents, certificate of origin will be a very important document. So it's required by custom officers and the freight providers. That company who is working with you, they definitely need it so that they can plan the carriers, they can plan the routes, everything for you, and along that they can plan the packaging, everything which is required for particular location. Then the banks, if you're taking any help or any financial support from banks or even for the insurance, definitely it's required. Then what information certificate of origin gonna provide, or what information it's need to have on certificate origin? So the first is name and the address of exporter, who's the exporter, name and address of the producer. So it's really important to understand here, exporter and producer can be a different person. And I will give you example. You importing goods in Canada, you bringing goods to Canada from China. So but the good get produced, definitely if you bringing goods from China, goods get produced in China, but the exporter can be in US. Means they have the company in US, the exporter having the company in US, but he arranging everything from in China by, you can say, any third party or anything. So exporter can be a different person and producer can be a different person. But usually, uh, if you talk about raw material import or export, then producer are mainly the exporters, but it can be different. The name and address of the importers, who is the importer and what's the location or address, that need to get disclosed for all three parties. Then the time period of certification, how long it valid. Then description of good, what's good, what goods you exporting and what's good you importing. So mainly it's all about the goods. And then HS code is a harmonized system code. It's decided by World Custom Organization, and this code basically used to identify all the information related to that goods. So for example, if you work in warehouse, or if you work in inventory, then you know goods have SQ, or they have UPC. So mainly UPC is universal product code, so mainly to describe the good, what's good involved, what's all the qualities you need to have. So by putting that code, you will have all detail for that goods and what quality the good need to be. So HS code is really important. And then gross weight or other quantity, how much is the good in weight, and how much the quantity. So other than signature, name and contact information of authorizing individual, all this person, they have to sign, they have to put their name and contact information in the certificate of origin. So I think you got an idea what is certificate origin. Basically we can think is as a certificate that providing the information for the goods, where the good get produced, manufactured. So I hope you get an idea, and if you have any more question, then please let me know. Thank you.